Hi there. In this section, you are going to learn about the section formula. So let's begin. Internal division. Let us consider 2 points P x1, y1, z1 and Q x2, y2, z2 in the space. Let the point R x, y, z divide the line PQ internally into ratio m is to n. In order to explain this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to graph all this information. So this is my graph. As you can see, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and this is my z-axis. This is my point P, x1, y1, z1, and this is my point Q, x2, y2, z2. Let this point R divide the line segment PQ in m is to n ratio. Then the coordinate of the point R will be given as mx2 plus nx1 over m plus n, my2 plus ny1 over m plus n, mz2 plus nz1 over m plus n. So basically, this formula will help us to find the coordinate of point R. Now let's consider an example to understand the internal division of the line segment. So the example is find the coordinate of point R which divides the line segment P256 and Q477 in 2:3 ratio. So as you can see, it is given that point R divides the line segment into 2:3 ratio, which simply means that m is to n is equal to 2:3. Now let's find x1 and y1. So if I do that, I will write P is 256, which is equal to P x1 y1 z1. So my x1 is 2 over here, my y1 is 5, which is over here, and my z1 is 6, which is over here. In the same way, let's find the q, which is 477, and that is equal to q x2, y2, z2. So my x2 is 4, which is over here, my y2 is 7, which is over here, and my z2 is 7 also, which is over here. Then the coordinate of the point R will be given as, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the section formula for the internal division. So this is the formula. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute the values of x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 in this formula, including the values of m and n, which is basically 2 and 3. And if I do that, I will write 2 times 4 plus 3 times 2 over 2 plus 3. This is my x coordinate. 2 times 7 plus 3 times 5 over 2 plus 3. This is my y coordinate. And 2 times 7 plus 3 times 6 over 2 plus 3. And this is my z coordinate. If I simplify, I will write 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 3 times 2, which is 6, over 2 plus 3, which is 5. In the same way, I simplify for y and z. And if I do that, I will write 14 plus 15 over 5. And z is 14 plus 18 over 5. If I simplify further, I'll write 8 plus 6 is 14, so 14 over 5. 14 plus 15 is 29, so 29 over 5, which is over here. And 14 plus 18 is 32, so I will write 32 over 5. So basically, this is the coordinate of point R. And this is how we will use the internal division to find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment in m is to n ratio.